Big Mama. It's a Big Mama cardinal right there. Look how beautiful she is. Big Mama. It's a Big Mama cardinal right there. Look how beautiful she is. Big Mama cardinal. She's waiting for some food. Go on there, girl. I know you got some eggs in you, but go on there and get some food. Get some food, girl. Get some food. Oh, there's another Big Mama. Oh, there they are. Oh, they're fighting. Pull this back. Oh, one got up on there. Got the little ones. A couple mama cardinals. One on top. And one on bottom. Oh, there's the male. Beautiful. Spin around. Come back around here. There you are. Alright. Backyard Birds. Episode 1.